What is up, everybody? In today's video I want to show you guys how to use the full self-driving feature on your Tesla. And the first thing you want to do is you have to make sure you do have an active subscription for the full self-driving, and it only costs $99 a month, and you're gonna have full access to full self-driving. So once you have that, what you want to do is you want to put where you want to go on the navigation. Right here, you could go literally anywhere you want, and the vehicle will take you there. So once you do that, make sure you have your seatbelt, because if you don't have your seatbelt fastened, it's not gonna work. So put on your seatbelt. Once you do that, you're gonna see this thing come up blue right here. So this is the first way of turning on full self-driving, is you press this. Now the second way is by using the scroll wheel right here, the right scroll wheel. You press on it and that's gonna activate full self-driving. Now if you want to disengage from full self-driving, there's three ways of doing it. The first way is using the actual steering wheel. You turn it to one side, either left or right. You kind of have to use a little bit of force to do it. So that's the first way of doing it. The second way is using the scroll wheel right here. All you have to do is press on it and that's gonna disengage. And the last way, or the third way of disengaging, is by using your brake pedal. You press on it and that's gonna take you off full self-driving.